we have really all been duped into giving away our data. And Tapestri aims to turn that around, take that data, put the power back in your pocket and put the money back in your pocket as well. So that you're no longer giving away all this data to big tech for free. You are now earning on the value you're creating. And Tapestri really just collect anonymous device location information. So where you carry your phone around in the world, that is the data that Tapestri taps into and pays you for. Walter, I'll turn it back over to you.
I already have an account here, so there's no sign up process. But this is the home screen, probably the most important screen of the whole app, where we begin creating that algorithmic goal for you. Just like that weather app, there's a location icon being captured. Now it's that red dot at the top left, that's the zoom, so it's blocking it, but that's where it would be. So this home screen, this is the screen you'd go to every day or once a week, whenever you decide to open up the app. It's running in the background, so whether you open the app or not, Tapestri is still collecting your location data anonymously. So the home screen. So every single month, let's say it's August 1st, you want to open up this app and you want to see the goal that we created for you. And the goal is to get that green bar to a full circle and get that monthly balance and get paid out. That's all baked in the app. You don't have to do anything. That's all there. For those who want to answer some questions, they would literally just click that button and it will pop open a whole host of survey questions that the consumer can answer as much as they like or as little as they like and earn more. There's also bonuses baked in inside the app if you stay active for 30 days. This is for the users or affiliates, doesn't matter who you are. Also, if you refer people, you can earn an extra bonus as well. Here, there's the settings. So we'll kind of talk about this in detail. For those, dark mode is a pretty constant dominant thing right now. So if you want to be in dark mode even during the day, you can toggle that switch and throw you in dark mode. And you can see how everything kind of goes dark. You can leave that. You can go to your account settings if you want to update your email, update your password, or let's say you want to stop sharing location data with us for whatever reason. For whatever reason, you don't have to tell us. You can stop sharing location data, and that stops completely within the app. You also have the ability to delete that app as well. It's your data, it's your decision, it's really up to you. Also, you can go to payout to actually understand how we actually pay you out. That whole system is done through Stripe. You can see your payout history, how much we've actually paid you by month. Generally, this will be 12 months after that 12-month history that you can go into your affiliate back office if you're an affiliate to see how much you've been paid. Or if you're a user, you can look at your Stripe log to see how much you've been paid over the last year as well. You can learn more about Tapestri, that's there. Our privacy terms are all here, so you understand what we collect, how we collect it. There's a cookie notice there you can agree to. We're trying to be as transparent as possible. Now, if you were to go to the weather app, by the way, and look at their privacy terms, read their terms of service, you'll see, and I don't want to pick on IBM or the Weather Channel, any other app that's primarily taking on location data, you'll start seeing in fine print that these apps are now sharing your data with third parties, right? And it's that level of detail and specificity that kind of gives them the ability to share it. Now, if you're in Europe, that's a process with GDPR where they have to be very, very specific about where that data goes. We are basically pioneering a whole new industry here in the United States where we're going to tell you very transparently what we collect, how we collect it. And that's pretty important to us. But everything is tied to an email and an account. So even if you get a new phone, you can re-download Tapestri and sign back in with your same credentials. You don't have to create another account. So that's how it works. So we have the menu bar, but the next, and I think one of the most important features of this app is our map. So this is me at my location. This is my anonymous avatar. I can create as many avatars as I want. I can change it every single day if I choose. And I can do that here. So this is me, Walter. My message to you guys is, hi affiliates, thanks for joining. We appreciate it. You can edit this message. So anytime anyone sees your avatar, you can basically describe whatever you want. So I'm in Chicago, like I said, go Cubs, go Cardinals, whatever I want in this message. Or I could change my avatar. So I can select a new avatar. This guy looks pretty cool. And that's my new avatar. So the app is purposely very, very simple. We want all the work and all the heavy lifting to be within the app. But for those who are seeing tremendous value with this app, we encourage you to share it. And I'll show you how that's done. So it's tap a friend, earn a buck, famous sentence from Danny. You can literally refer this app by just clicking on that, and you can then share it with any service you choose. So for me, I'm primarily using Slack all day long with work. Email is primarily the primary most thing I use, Skype and LinkedIn, and then send that message. And that message goes directly with my unique link. It's pretty cool and it's very, very transparent. And when I share it, I can refer another one and keep going as much as I like, all inside the app. What we're collecting here is points of interest data. So we're not interested at all about where you live and your personal identifiable information. That's not our business. What I'm very interested in is, if I look at Chicago, for example, is around Chicago and every city that you live in or across the United States or across the world, there are people commuting into the city. How many people are commuting into the city? How many people are trying that new restaurant that just opened up, or flying domestically or internationally, or going to Disneyland, or feel comfortable doing whatever they choose? All that anonymous data, primarily tied to a business, a commercial business, is what we're looking at. So that's it. It's very simple. Tapestry does all the heavy lifting for you. It runs in the background, completely anonymous. I can't wait to get this app in your hands.